Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Making your own vegan salad dressing is incredibly simple and can elevate any meal. Forget those bland, store-bought bottles filled with additives and unhealthy oils. Crafting it yourself means you control every ingredient, ensuring a fresher, healthier, and far more delicious result. It's a quick way to add vibrant flavor to your greens, making healthy eating truly enjoyable every single time. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create something so much better at home. At its heart, any fantastic dressing, vegan or not, relies on three key components. First, a quality oil like extra virgin olive or avocado oil provides richness and body. Second, an acid such as fresh lemon juice or apple cider vinegar brightens the flavors and adds a delicious tang. Finally, an emulsifier helps bind everything together, creating that smooth, creamy texture we all love. These foundational elements are your starting point for endless variations. Once you have your base, it's time to get creative with flavor boosters. Fresh garlic and onion, finely minced, instantly add aromatic complexity. Dried herbs like dill, oregano, or a pinch of smoked paprika can transform the profile. For a hint of sweetness, a dash of maple syrup or agave nectar beautifully balances the acidity. Don't forget a touch of mustard or tahini for an extra layer of creaminess and savory depth. Here's a super quick recipe for a versatile, creamy tahini dressing you'll love. Simply combine a quarter cup of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 clove of minced garlic, and a pinch of salt. Gradually whisk in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water until you achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. This rich, nutty dressing is fantastic on everything from grain bowls to roasted vegetables, and of course, fresh green salads. A crucial step is always to taste and adjust your dressing before serving. Does it need more salt, a little more tang, or a touch of sweetness? Don't be afraid to experiment. If it's too thick, simply add a splash more water. If it's too tart, a tiny bit more oil or sweetener can help. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for up to 5 days, ready for your next delicious salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.